Hey guys, this is my first Roblox building video. Attempt 2. Copy and paste. So I'm gonna add these all over around. I think that's a pretty good idea. Run these all around. I think the reason I'm not putting the gun over here is because the gun is gonna be like the best weapon, and then it's gonna be in the middle. That's what's gonna happen. That's the plan. That's the plan. And then people have to fight to get it. I might add some structures there, so they have to parkour and fight to get it over there. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Sorry for the background noise. I'm gonna delete these. Okay, let me go to structure. Okay, I'm finished with the structure. See this? I finished it. I finished the structure. Now, let's test it out. Hey, why is there multiple? Why is there 2? Why is there 2 in there? It's kinda odd, but it's fine. Yeah, that works. And then I think you can do like, oh, you can't. I need a way to get out now. That's where I forgot a way to get out. I have an idea. Earlier, I was going in the models, and then I found a model from Roblox called Zombie. Yeah, I found them. Maybe I could put like 1, 2. Maybe I'll add like 4. 4 seems fine. And then I'll add this weird zombie. This looks a lot more realistic. Actually, that zombie looks kind of weird, so I'm taking that out. It's kind of creepy. And right there, like that, we're almost done. See that? We're almost done. Oh yeah, I forgot. I could just double jump this. Oh shoot, the zombies are piling up. Oh, medkit. Okay. Looks like I think I'll delete like 2 zombies. They're too overpowered. They could 3-shot you. So I'm gonna remove about, I think 1 actually. Removing 1 should be a good idea. If I remove 1, I'll only get 1-shotted once, and they can't stand hit me. That's a good idea. And I can grab that gun. I think I should move this brick right there. It's so the zombies can escape. It's because that's how they escape. I think that's a good idea. Yep, that should be good. I'm always going on that side. It's so noisy. Now I'm gonna build some structures for some people to PvP up there, like some houses. Yeah, I think that should be a good idea. Okay, I'm done building the structures now. You see all the structures I build? What, 4 minutes into the video already. Time flies fast. What? These Skittles are so good. Look, I got some walls. You can hide. Okay, I gotta go anchor those. That was so weird. Anchor. Oops. Undo that. Anchor. In total, there is 4 ramps and 4 walls in total. So it's well balanced. 2 for like this sort of section and 2 for those sort of section. I made it even. Okay. Let's try. Let's try to get the objective of the game. Get the gun. The objective. It's gonna be hard. Oh, let's go! Oh, I did it! Oh. Well, that's loud. I'm turning that off. Okay, much better. Medkit. Die. No. Oh, why did I do that? The gun is so overpowered. If one guy gets hold of this gun, it's game over. I need to learn a way to make these zombies respawn. I might make this into a series, like making PvP game, episode 1 and stuff. I'm gonna make this into a series for sure. Whenever I say I'm gonna make it into a series, I never make a part 2. Well, it's because I never have time to make a part 2. I always have to come up with ideas, come up with some ways what to do. Well, basically, I have to think about what I have to do, and I also have other videos planned, so I don't have much time. But I am gonna make part 2s and stuff, like the Minecraft one, that Booga thingy. That's gonna be 2 episodes. It's cause you know I did finish it. Okay, I'm gonna think what I can do. Okay, I couldn't think of anything, so I'm just gonna end it. I'm gonna have the link to the game in the description. Bye bye.